Today we're going to talk about cooking the macrobiotic way. So now we have the whole grains that we soaked the night before or early in the morning. It's our brown rice and red quinoa. The red quinoa is a Spanish grain. It'll give it a little bit of a Latin flavor. And we've poured them into this pot, and we've turned on the heat, and we've allowed them to cook. The one thing that we've added to this is a sea vegetable called kombu. Kombu is also very high in minerals, and it actually helps with the digestion of beans and grains. And we add about an inch-sized piece to all of our grain dishes and all of our bean dishes whenever we cook them. And they're just going to simmer gently on the stove. And then we're going to have our finished product. We're going to have this beautiful cooked brown rice and red quinoa dish.